Welcome to Royal Mechanica. Today we are going to discuss about drafting of reducer, that is eccentric reducer drafting. As you can see in the figure, this is the image of the eccentric reducer. This we are going to draft in Autocad. So let us see how to draw step by step. I'm going to the drafting part. I have two ducts, it is one of 14 inches and it is reducing to 9 inches. Whenever the duct size is reducing, we have to go for a reducer. So in this video we are going to see about eccentric reducer. So I have a duct of 14 inches and a duct of 9 inches. So in between these, after this diffuser, I need a reducer, that is eccentric reducer. This is duct size is 14 inches, means 0.3556 in meters. My diagram is in meters, so I am converting that in meters. So let us see how to draw this. First of all, now I have to take a line first. Line, after taking 1 feet distance, you have to take a line 1 feet distance from 1 feet distance from the diffuser. Okay, I'll extend it slightly. Now what you need to do is you have to take a line from here or here, you can take from here. You have to draw a line like this. After this, after taking 1 feet distance, that is 12 inches from diffuser, you have to take 1 feet distance here now. So let us see how to do. I'll trim this. Offset you have to take 0.3048, that is 1 feet. As you can see here, like this, 1 feet, 0.3048 distance you have to take. Now the size of the next duct is 9 inches, so you have to see the dimensions of 9 inches in meters. 9 inches is equals to 0.2286 meter. So you have to extend this line up to here like this, ortho on. Okay, after that you have to take 9 inches is equals to 0.2286 meter. Okay, I have to take offset as 0.2286, enter. Then enter. After that, delete this middle line, no need of middle line. Take line command, from here to here you join. Now tr double enter, delete other extra lines. So this duct is of 9 inches. This duct is of 9 inches. We can measure also. Vertical to take 0.2286. It should be 0.2286. So in this way you have to create the eccentric reducer. My another video regarding concentric reducer is there on my YouTube channel. You can see If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel at Royal Mechanica. Thank you.